Meaning of disseminate.
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 Disseminate. The word disseminate means to spread or scatter widely. When something is disseminated, it is made available to a large number of people, often through various means such as media or communication channels. The goal of dissemination is typically to share information, knowledge, or ideas with a broad audience in order to increase awareness, understanding, or support for a particular concept or cause. Overall, the result of disseminating something is that it becomes more widely known and accessible to a larger group of people, potentially leading to greater impact or influence.